What's going on, my friends? Tima is here, kyrgyzfriends presented. We just been to the beautiful 7-day trip. It's called Nomads route, with so many beautiful locations in Kyrgyzstan. And among all of these locations, TASHRABAT was the most memorable place. First of all, it's located in Narin region and it's very isolated from the people. And actually to go there you have to take a bus or something else and go among these beautiful, through these beautiful mountains located on the way to TASHRABAT. Finally arriving there, you see a beautiful architectural old times. It was built in 15th century. Then you see how architecture was actually at a good level, because the walls, they're so straight, these rooms, these tiny rooms, it was very well thought and the project was nice. So when you come inside, there is a big room, right? It's called hall, right? And there's 30 small rooms surrounding this big room. And being there, it was so sensational because you actually get to picture all of these nomadic movements, how they live, how they survived, how they actually used to spend their time. And being myself as a Kyrgyz, I've been told so many times about our cultural past, nomadic past, and this sort of thing. And me being there, actually, it was a sensational experience because I get to connect all of these dots and have the whole picture. So again, it was a very nice experience, and yeah, hopefully one day this experience will be in front of your eyes. My name is Tima, one of your Kyrgyz friends.